Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now this is a preposition model. Okay, now we start. Now monkey is going up and down, up and down. Okay, now monkey is going to sit on the tree like that. Okay, now monkey is going to over the tree like this. Now monkey is going down and down. Now monkey is between two trees. Now monkey is far the tree. Now monkey is in the grass. Now monkey is near the tree. Far the tree, near the tree. Far the tree. Now monkey is going behind the tree. Like this. Now monkey is going. Now monkey is going sit under the tree. Now monkey is under the tree. Now monkey is coming back. Now monkey is going again behind the tree. Like this. See, monkey is behind the tree. Now monkey coming back. Okay, now going up and down, up and down. Okay friends, bye. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe my video.